Hello everyone, this is Smita and today we will talk about the poem River by A.K. Ramanujan. How does the river appear in summer? How is it when flooded? Let's look at the pre-reading. What comes to your mind when you see the word river? Which of the two do you associate with the word river, city or a village? How does the river that flows in village differ from the river that flows in the city? What happens when the river is flooded? Do you remember the effects of Chennai floods 2015 or the flood effects in your place? Here is a short analysis of the poem. A River by A.K. Ramanujan is a 4-stanza poem. In the first stanza, he describes the geographical location and the history of this river. In the second stanza, he talks about the floods. The third stanza describes how the new poets are influenced by the old poets in singing about the river. The last stanza speaks of how the river has been poetic only once a year according to the poet, A.K. Ramanujan. He says, most of the things are lost in the floods and none of the poets have mentioned them. Let us look at it in detail. So he says in the first stanza how he recalls his visit to this city, Madurai, and he says how the river is dry during summer. He says that the straw and women's hair that clog the water gates are visible only when the river is dry. The bridge is in bad shape, it has to be repaired. He says how he spent his day in the city of Madurai. The river, when flooded, it carried off 3 village houses and a pregnant woman and a couple of cows. He says the names of the cows as Brinda and Gopi being very common. The poet in the third stanza compares the old and the new poets. Both these poets have dealt the flooded river in their poems, but they have ignored the tragedies or the loss incurred by the flood. The pregnant woman had twins yet to be born, but the river carried her away. In the last stanza, the poet complains how the poets have paid attention only to the beauty of the flooded river. And he says the river is poetic only once a year. The river that makes land fertile also destroys life. He restates this by saying how the pregnant woman might have planned to differentiate her identical twins by colored diapers. Thus, the suffering of the people is unsung according to the poet. Let's have a recap. The poet speaks of river Vaigai in Madurai. He describes the river when it is dry. He gives details of the condition of the river when flooded as sung by the old poets. He complains how the new poets sing just like the old poets, talking about the glory of the river. He restates that the river is poetic enough only once a year when flooded, and there is no mention about the loss it incurs on the villages. Further thoughts? What does Ramanujan write about? Does he talk about the condition of the river when it is dry or when it is flooded? Is it the first part of the poem, his praise on Vaigai? Why does he complain about other poets? What is beauty or artistic? Nature in its fullest form or nature in its catastrophic form? Are the loss of humans equal with the loss of animals? What concern does the poet or society have on yet to be born? Do you find any gender issues in this poem? What is significant about the names of the cows being so common? Thank you. Bye bye.